McCarthy. I'm here on this gorgeous fall day for Gingerbread, New York City, the Great Borough Bake Off, the new holiday show at the Museum of the City of New York.
The digester eggs are where all of the wastewater gets treated, so it's not the most appetizing, all of the sludge comes in from the city and gets treated in those eggs.
Okay.
And then gets converted into fertilizer and natural gas and blah blah blah. So this whole section here is that. The main business happens in the eggs, but they've got sort of churners and they've got tanks where everything gets processed through. But then the thing I love about the creek or the facility is that they've built this gorgeous park that feels a little bit like the High Line, and they've sort of highlighted all of the local plants and all of the. They've just done a really beautiful job of trying to educate people on what the history of the area is and what the natural history is. So sort of that area around there is the Walk, which is one of my favourite places in the city.
Next to the lady, please.
Yeah.
A little closer, that's it. Nice. Congratulations, guys.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Through January 19th. Definitely come take a look.